Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and yesterday was my first visit to the Tesla service center in Springfield, New Jersey. That's where I actually picked up my car, and the reason for my visit was to put my snow tires. And I want to tell you about the experience. Right after this video, tomorrow's video is going to be my experience with the snow tires in terms of regenerative braking. So I tested the regenerative braking with the regular tires and then with the snow tires, and I found a very interesting difference. So that video will come out tomorrow. So you stay tuned for that. So let me just tell you about my visit to the Tesla Center. It was very eventful, interesting, good. It's all great stuff. Of course, you do the appointment online, and they send you an email, and it's on your calendar, and it sends you a reminder, and they're fantastic. But unlike the old days of Tesla, and old days is last year, when you come, and there will be very few people there, and everybody is very nice and available and kind and this and that. Everything is the same, the kind, the available and nice, but the place was packed. It was like Black Friday. It was Black Friday. It happened to be Black Friday when I went to that appointment, but it was not because it was Black Friday. Every time I go there, the amount of people that are picking up Model 3s and bringing their car for the service, and people are, shopping, meaning looking at cars and this and that. It's just like going to a mall on a Black Friday, literally all the time. It's so many people. It's wonderful. I love it. It's great. They are trying to do the best they can to deliver the cars and this and that. And as soon as I walk in, I get a big hug from somebody I don't know, never met, and apparently he's happened to be the Electric Israeli subscriber who recognized me, and we did a video together. I put the link above. I put it out last week. I'll put the link for you if you want to see it again. So it was great. So I come in. My appointment was 4:30 in the afternoon. I came early. I came like 3:45. They were very nice. They took my car, they took photos of the car to make sure that everything is fine and blah, 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 and all that. And the guy said the technician is going to take a look. Basically, it's to take out the regular tire and to put the new tires, to mount them on. No big deal. The price that I got when I called it the first time was supposed to be around $160. And that is a lot of money. I mean, I have a tire guy right by my neighborhood where I do all the Volt and the Leaf when I change it for $40, $10 a tire, with balancing and all that. So, so the reason I decided to go at this is the first time. I just want to make sure if there's nothing going on, just to make sure, just precautions. I'm not going to change my tire taking it to Tesla. It's far away from my house. First of all, it's about 40 minutes drive from my house, and I always have to wait. And the guy here next to my house is like, you drop it off. A couple hours later, you bring it back. You take it back, or if you want to wait, you can wait. It's no big deal. It's very convenient. So I just did it. So I dropped the car. So I said to the guy, how long is it going to take? He said about an hour and a half. I said to him, then he's like, do you want a car wash? I said, how long is the car wash? He says, in half hour. I said, it's okay. I can skip the car wash. So I was there probably an hour and 40 minutes talking, having great time. I made a video with that guy I told you before, talking to the salesperson, on my phone. I'm having a blast. I'm at Tesla Center. What can be worse? And then an hour, like I said, hour 40 minutes is done. And he says to me, okay, here's your key card and all that. And he said, because you had to wait 10 minutes longer, there's no charge. So the whole thing was free. That was great. It was really great. But my observation is not only, I'm happy that it was free. I mean, $160, a lot of money for just tires. But anyway, he said it was free. They were very kind. They were very apologetic. They were very, 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 accommodating, I will call that. Trying to do the best to make the customers happy. Politely speaking, such a difference between that and And you know, when we go to other dealers, let's not name names. So that was my experience. It's not you know, it's not a given. I've been there. When I picked up my car, there was a very unhappy person there whose car was not ready. What I'm saying is, every time you go, things get better, because they're not ready for this. They're not ready for this success. I mean, it was an explosion of deliveries, and they just couldn't handle it. I mean, there's a guy there, he said, I work so many extra hours, so much overtime. I mean, he's happy and all that, but it's just a lot of work they got, a lot of work, and they're doing their best. So all of you Tesla fans and Tesla waiting to get you, just be patient with them. They're trying to do the best they can. You can really tell that they're doing the best they can. So I had a great experience and I had a great time. How was your experience? Let us know. Let me know in the comments. I always love to hear that. In meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a Patreon and or shop at the Electric Israeli store. And also, if you are in for a Tesla, please use my referral code. I appreciate that. Thank you, guys.